Welcome to Bonnie's Fun Fact. I'm Chidera, and today we're diving into one of Earth's last great frontiers, the mysterious oceanic trenches. These depths, plunging as far as 11 kilometers, 6.8 miles beneath the surface, remain some of the least explored areas on the planet. And it's no wonder. They're freezing cold, pitch black, and experience unimaginable pressure. 16,000 pounds per square inch, that's about 1,088 atmospheres. Yet, even in these harsh environments, life not only survives but thrives in ways we're still discovering. Now, brace yourself, because a groundbreaking discovery has just been made in the Atacama Trench off South America's western coast. Meet Dulcibella Camanchaka, a newly identified species of amphipod, a shrimp-like crustacean that's making waves in the scientific community. Found at a depth of 7,902 meters, this ghostly creature is the first large, active predatory amphipod discovered in such extreme conditions. Typically, these trenches host scavengers, creatures that feed on whatever falls to the bottom, but Dulcibella doesn't settle for leftovers. Nope, it hunts, and it does so with incredible speed and agility, preying on other smaller amphipods in its pitch-black domain.
Después nosotros, al subir el lander, dimos cuenta que aparecieron organismos nuevos. Estos organismos nuevos principalmente fueron dos. Uno, que es la especie que prontamente va a ser descrita.
Hi, I'm Dr. Johanna Weston. So I'm here to help describe and discover new species that are living in the trench.
La peculiaridad que tiene este nuevo descubrimiento es que no es solamente una especie nueva, sino un género, que sería similar a lo que nosotros podemos decir los homínidos. Nosotros somos Homo sapiens, por ejemplo, dentro del Homo hay, por ejemplo, Homo erectus, Homo neandertal. Eso sería una analogía. Acá nosotros estamos dando un nuevo género y también otorgando una nueva especie a la ciencia.
What's truly exciting is that this species isn't just a new species. It's a whole new genus. Scientists named it Dulcibella after Dulcinea del Toboso, a character from Cervantes' Don Quixote, to keep in line with the tradition of naming new species after the novel's characters. As for the species name Camanchaka, it comes from the indigenous languages of Chile, translating to darkness, a fitting tribute to the inky depths this creature calls home. This new genus is about 4 centimeters in length, more than double the size of its closest relatives. And it's not just sitting around waiting for food to come to it. It's a fast swimmer, darting through the deep with specialized raptorial appendages, fancy for claws, to grab its prey. Its pale white color is typical of creatures that live in lightless environments, like caves or ocean trenches. So, where exactly is the Atacama Trench? It's a subduction zone stretching up to 8 kilometers below the surface of the eastern Pacific. The trench is formed by one tectonic plate slowly sliding under another, creating an isolated ecosystem that hosts wildlife found nowhere else on Earth. And while this might sound like a deep-sea treasure chest waiting to be unlocked, this is just the beginning. Researchers from Chile's University of Concepcion and the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, DUOOI, are uncovering more and more about the diversity of life in these extreme environments. The Instituto Milenio de Oceanografía, IMO, based at the University of Concepcion in Chile, is a center of excellence dedicated to exploring and researching the open and deep ocean, particularly of the eastern South Pacific. Established at the end of 2013, the Institute is committed to creating a thought-provoking environment to generate and spread scientific knowledge that will transform and provide new insights into our understanding of the ocean from a creative, daring, and collaborative standpoint. But it's not just about discovering new life on Earth. The extreme conditions of these oceanic trenches offer clues about how life could survive on other planets. Researchers believe that studying these habitats could inform our search for alien life on moons like Europa or Enceladus, which are thought to have subsurface oceans of their own. The 2023 research expedition that uncovered this species is part of Chile's integrated deep ocean observing system, a pioneering effort to explore these remote depths. The scientists used a lander vehicle, an untethered platform that drops scientific gear into the trenches, to collect samples from the Atacama Trench. Equipped with baited traps and scientific instruments, the lander retrieved specimens of this fast-swimming predator. 4 specimens of Dulcibella Camanchaka were captured by researchers at an impressive depth of 7.902 meters. Back on deck, the samples were frozen and later analyzed for their morphological and genetic traits at the Universidad de Concepción in Chile. Unlike the scavenging amphipods commonly found in the Hadal zone, Dulcibella Camanchaka actively hunts smaller species in the food-limited environment of the Atacama Trench. Predatory amphipods like this species remain underrepresented in samples due to their elusiveness and the limitations of baited traps. This find highlights the need for advanced sampling techniques to uncover the true diversity of these depths. The Atacama Trench has long fascinated scientists. Initial explorations began with the 1957-1958 downwind expedition. Followed by notable discoveries during subsequent voyages in the 1960s and 1970s. Early studies documented Hadal fauna such as holothurians, bivalves, and amphipods. Recent expeditions have added to this legacy, unveiling species like the amphipod Erythrines atacamensis and the snailfish Paraliparis celtea, both endemic to the trench. The discovery of Dulcibella Camanchaka underscores the importance of continued exploration. Less than a month after the IDEUS expedition, scientists recovered additional instruments and samples during a follow-up voyage. These tools had spent a year recording environmental data at the trench's depths. Dr. Carolina Gonzalez, a postdoctoral researcher at the Millennium Institute of Oceanography, emphasized the collaborative nature of this research, stating, "The national and international effort, combined with integrative approaches, confirmed Dulcibella Camanchaka as a new genus and species." This finding highlights the Atacama Trench's unparalleled biodiversity and the importance of deep ocean exploration. The Hadal zone's unique conditions make it a natural laboratory for studying evolutionary adaptation. Species here exhibit remarkable traits to survive extreme pressures and low temperatures. For example, the amphipod's long, slender bodies and raptorial jaws enable them to capture prey efficiently. Such adaptations provide insight into the evolutionary pressures shaping life in the deep ocean. Beyond its scientific value, this discovery has implications for conservation. Deep ocean ecosystems face emerging threats, including pollution and climate change. Understanding these environments is crucial to safeguarding their biodiversity. Each species discovered contributes to a broader effort to protect these fragile ecosystems. Exploration technologies have played a pivotal role in these advances. Autonomous vehicles and remote-operated traps allow scientists to reach depths previously inaccessible. These tools, combined with DNA barcoding and integrative taxonomy, enable precise identification of new species and their relationships within the tree of life. Co-lead author Johanna Weston from WHOI described this discovery as most exciting because the species not only represents a new genus, but also hints at an entirely unique biological world thriving in these dark, high-pressure depths. Dr. Weston expressed optimism for the future, stating, "More discoveries await as we delve deeper into the Atacama Trench. Each finding brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the deep ocean and protecting its wonders for future generations." So, there you have it. A new species, a new genus, and a deeper understanding of one of Earth's most extreme environments. What's next for the Atacama Trench? More research is underway, and scientists expect to uncover even more species that could provide valuable insights into biology, ecology, and conservation. As exploration continues, the Atacama Trench promises more groundbreaking discoveries. Each expedition not only enriches our understanding of life in extreme environments, but also inspires awe for the resilience and diversity of life on Earth. Before I go, be sure to check out Wildest and Wackiest Animal Facts if you haven't already. It's packed with even more jaw-dropping info about the amazing creatures that share our planet. Thanks for tuning in to Bonnie's Fun Fact. And remember, there's always more mystery waiting beneath the surface. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other fun facts we'll be sharing soon. So long.